Today we are doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is a $25 a month subscription box where you get, not 5 to 7, like 7-ish items in here. I think it is 5 to 7, but they are all full size name brand items. So that is what we are doing today. So if you want to stick around and watch that happen, then stay right here because Manic Mommy's about to do this. So like I said, Ipsy, 25 bucks. Here we go, jumping in. So normal, same kind of box that it always has. Discover Yourself, pink, and then the orange foam. You open it up. Something I have noticed with this subscription box is that they don't list the items for you in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus at all. So in the Glam Bag original, you get a piece of paper with all the items listed. In the Ultimate, you get a little flip book, no prices, but the items. And for some reason, this never comes with the items in it already for you. That's one of Ipsy, I feel like, one of their issues that they have. I feel like they should give us more info on the items. They have it all online, tutorials, videos, all sorts of cool things, tips and tricks of the items that you get. But it bugs me that they don't just have it there for you like other boxes do. Even the Target Beauty box has tips and tricks on the items that came in their box. So whatever, it's annoying. Like my voice, can't help it. It's that time of the year. Everyone is sick. I am sick. Get over it. Deal with it. I won't sound like this forever. But the first thing I am going to pull out, because it is the theme, something I've noticed with Ipsy is making their own makeup and collabing with influencers. So this is Gigi Gorgeous, and she did a collab with Ipsy, and Ipsy gave her the option to do, or whatever, I don't know how they do it. But this is one of the items that came with it, and it is the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. It is very white, very clean. It's matte with this cute shiny. Very light pink detail here on the edges. I think it's kind of classy and super simple and pretty. Kind of a timeless packaging. You don't want to look back like one of your school photos and be like, ooh, did I really wear that? Kind of same thing with your packaging. I think you want to choose something timeless, you know? But I think I can't tell if that's blue or green. I think blue or green. Blue or black, but it says Gigi Gorgeous. Similar to the outer, very matte again. Okay, so even the cute little protective thing has her little logo and name on it. Very pretty. And then these are the two colors. It's the Sculpt Bronzer Duo, and it's in Turnt. So if we're doing it the way it's listed, this would be Turnt. This would be Extra. Those are the two colors. I think I can make that work for my skin tone, no problemo. Packaging is plastic. Doesn't feel cheap, but doesn't feel amazing either. So it'd be interesting to see what this retails for. It does have this kind of a pressure lock on the closure, which I kind of think is nice because then you don't have to worry about it popping open as long as it's clicked shut when you're traveling. But I will definitely give this a shot, maybe even today, because after this video, I'm going to redo my makeup because you can't see it, but my eyes are crepey and creasy as could be, and I need to get that out of here. But that's the first item. Let's see, the next item, again, I'm going to let you guys guess what I probably picked. Duh, a Murad item. It is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. It's acne control. I have acne. I do. It just is what it is. I use Murad's. It comes in the same tube. It's their mattifying sunblock, and I use it every single day underneath. I do moisturizer, then I do my sunblock, then I do my primers. Same tubing, but this one is lightweight oil-free moisturizer. Provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. I like it, very simple, looks very medicinal, which is totally fine. I don't mind what my skincare products look like. But this is the item I picked because I get a lot of that hormonal bearded thing going on with the acne. Not bearded, but it looks like a beard of zits because, I don't know, I'm hormonal and I'm greasy and I'm shiny and it is what it is. That's just me. I'm learning how to deal with it. Can't change me, gotta adapt and roll with the punches. I like Murad products. I think they're quality for me. It doesn't mean they're quality for you. It just depends on who you are, right? Next item comes in this really pretty black and yellow. I don't even think that's gold. Black and yellow color. It's called Elamsqua. I think we've had something by this brand before because I couldn't pronounce that either. But it's Hydra Veil Hydrating Gel. This best-selling clear gel instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smooth. Vitamins and minerals and all sorts of good stuff in it. So let's open it up. So there's the packaging, Elamsqua. Yeah, it's definitely yellow because look, they have cute pastel yellow inside. Ooh, okay, a little dirty. Mine came with some junk on it. Hold on. Okay, so it's got this weird little embossed symbol thingy in there. It just is a cute little dollop of jar. It says Elamsqua right here. Very simple. Hydra Veil. It is 1 fluid ounce. Whoa. That sucker locks like Fort Knox, man. Here, listen to that. It locks. It's like you push it in. It's kind of pressurized. And you full blown have to lock that. It comes with a spoon. What the hell is this? Oh, weird. So I don't know what that does. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. It smells like hair gel. But you open it up and there it is. That goopy gelatinous mess in there. It smells just like hair gel. That is so weird. I'm gonna close this up. I am going to actually, see, this is why Ipsy needs to get their crap together and put info in here for us, because right now I'm looking at this like, I'm not even gonna bother because why? What is this? What am I supposed to do with it? I want to know more than what this box is giving me, and Ipsy should be helping me out with that. That is something we need to fix, Ipsy. Fix it. Let me look into this item more and see what's going on with it, because I don't know what's going on with the lid. It looks like I should be doing something with it. I don't know. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and you'll hopefully see me update you on that. But as of right now, I'm a little confused on the packaging. You guys want to help me out? I don't know. It's weird. It's like alien packaging. Okay, I have had this before. Not going to keep it. I will actually put this in the giveaway for you guys. It is Ciate London Dewy Sticks. It is an illuminating, highlighting balm. It's like Vaseline and highlighter mixed together. I don't think these ever do anything for me. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to give it to you guys. And really cute packaging. Their packaging always reminds me of a cute little ballerina with the cute dainty bow and the shiny and the little stars. Not keeping it though. I'm gonna pass this on to you guys just because I will not use stuff like this. Again, like I was mentioning earlier, I break out and usually Vaseline-y type things clog my pores. So we're not gonna go with this one, but you guys, it's yours now. It's all yours. And another lipstick in a dark wintry fall color. It is Smoking on Screen. It is by Ature Cream Lip Color. Wait, Belle and Argent. Belle and Argent. Again, wish they had stuff in the thing so I knew what I was doing with this. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Oh, this reminds me of my grandma. This is like a Great Gatsby style lipstick right here. Oh my gosh, look how cute this oh, I love this. It's Smoking on Screen. Is it matte? Is it satin? What are you telling me here, folks? It's from California. How to use: wear alone for deeply pigmented color or pair it with your lip Leer gloss for a high shine. Add our vignette lip pencil for ultimate dimensions. First of all, white girl right here, don't label things that I can't say, okay? Drives me nuts. Oh, wow. That is so detailed and cute. I know you guys can't see, but they're little white plus signs. Ooh. To keep or not to keep? You know, we're going for it. No flavor, no smell. Whoa. Way out of my comfort zone. That's intense. I'll try this again, but I seriously feel like my lips look like they belong to a 70-year-old right now. Really sloppy, really slimy. Definitely needs a lip liner. It is going all over the place. Pretty sure it's gonna end up on my teeth. Formula on first attempt, not a fan, but the packaging is so pretty. I do love the packaging. I feel fancy AF with this. I feel like a little kid trying on her mom's lipstick right now. Not liking it. I actually don't like it to the point of, do I want to keep filming? Yeah, I'm going to finish this video so you can, you know, be uncomfortable with me. But the very, very last item, sorry, just dropped the box. Very last item is a makeup bag. It matches all the other makeup bags that have been coming. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus does offer a bigger makeup bag than the Ipsy Glam Bag normal. And then the ultimate, so it goes in order. The Ipsy regular, Ipsy Glam Bag comes with a smaller version of this. And then this is the Glam Bag Plus. And then the larger one, watch my video, it's the ultimate video. The Glam Bag Ultimate Ipsy bag. It has a full-on travel bag that comes with that one. So different bag sizes for the different boxes. Kind of cute, kind of cool. I do like this theme. I think it's super cute and super sassy. I do really like this one. It always has a little Ipsy touch on it. Sometimes on the tassel it'll say Ipsy, but right here they've got a little tag this time. I think it's a super cute little bag. You can toss your items in straight from the box, and look, I think it all fits. Well, if I had everything out of the boxes, it would fit. But because everything's still in its original packaging, it's not gonna fit the way it should. But let's review, because I'm having some pretty strong feelings about this box. Yeah, that lipstick is not for me. Look, it's like, yeah, no, gonna have to wash my face for sure now. But I need more info. Ipsy, I need more info. I need information. Teach me, show me, what do I do? This is an item I find that's very strange. I'll try it, but it's weird. It's definitely weird. It looks like Jell-O, smells like hair gel. And then, oh, so it is a scooper. So it's a pooper scooper for the gel, the hair gel you put on your face. Okay. Not an item I would normally pick for myself at all. So is this box worth $25? Let me see how many items I'm not excited about. I'm good with this one. I'll try it. Makeup, heck yeah. I picked this one, so of course I love it. Whoa, that was a good catch. Mom reflexes. Lipstick. Not a fan. We're gonna put that in the what the hell Ipsy pile. And then I know I've had this exact thing from Ipsy before, maybe quite a while ago, but I have had this exact item from them recently. I know I've commented that I don't like liquid highlighters of any kind, but I'm still getting this. Not in love. So 2 out of my 5 items I'm good with. The 3 other items I could do without. So right now I feel like this bag was not, this was not worth it for me. I feel like this was $25 wasted if I hadn't gotten these items, because obviously the $25 does pay for these items, especially this one, because this one full price is kind of pricey. Total bust. I don't know, not a good month for me. Sorry guys, I don't like this one. Normally I'm really optimistic, I enjoy it. I feel like the items I got were really weird, not curated to me what I normally do. It's like they didn't even look at my reviews and my surveys and my likes and dislikes, because I'm pretty sure I actually deselected this as one of my brands I like. So I'm not really sure why I'm still getting that item, because I did actually click off the Ciate, because I feel like that's all I was getting for a while. Everybody says Wander Beauty is what they get more than anything, but I get a lot of Ciate, and I think it's Ciate. Sorry. Super cute packaging, not my thing. So yeah, I feel like I wasted 25 bucks. How do you feel? How was your box? I have got to get this lipstick off. Let me know down in the comments below, like and subscribe. This is very brutal, very honest. Sorry, Ipsy, but this one was crap. Can't help it, don't like it. Good thing I got to pick what I wanted, right? So, sorry guys, not in love with this one. What did you get? Are you in love with it? Are these brands you've tried and you like? Does it work for you? Because I know those 3 items, I don't know, it's a little weird, out of my comfort zone. I hate the lipstick the more and more it's sitting on my face. So, I actually think it's gone more fuchsia than it has deep red the longer it's been on my face too. Not a fan, not a fan. Let me know how yours went, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.